Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE screen glitching and display problem. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, update all your mobile apps. So to update all apps, open Play Store. Now click on your profile icon and then click on manage apps and device. Now here click on updates available and here you will see a update all option. So click on update all to update all pending apps, and after updating your issue will be resolved. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is update mobile software. So to update mobile software, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here you will see a software update option. Click on software update and from here click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. So after updating the software, if you still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot option icon and then click on reset app preferences. Now again click on reset to confirm. So after you will click on reset, your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.